guys! Welcome back to Maine Cooks. Today magluluto tayo ng spicy chicken wings. It is my secret recipe and I will share it to you guys. If you wanna know how, keep on watching! Dito sa Maine Cooks, nalaman nyo ng iba't ibang paraan ng pagpiprito, no? Pero dapat hindi mawala ang 2 kutsara ng cornstarch at itlog. Ito talaga ang sikreto sa pinaka-crispy na chicken. Ayan, luto na ating spicy chicken wings. Sa lahat ng flavors ng chicken na na-try natin, ito ang pinaka-favorite ko. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, just comment down below and I will shout out you guys. Stay hopeful and keep safe everyone.